Hey, what's up, guys? It's Mike here. It is July 14 on a Sunday, and so Asia just opened a couple of hours ago, and so just to kind of get acquainted with my trading strategy, I typically like to basically do breakouts and pullbacks from 4-hour time frames. So as you can see here, we have the 4-hour time frame that I'm looking at, and I went ahead and just started to begin and draw my zones. So you can see here that this particular zone was respected right at the Asian Open, which would have been the best time for us to enter here, because as you can see from the previous 4-hour candle where the zone was created, it showed the respect for it. And so that would have been the most ideal situation. But not to enter for a long, but I typically don't like to enter right off the open on Asia, just because it can just be so unreliable and so random. Like it literally can just go any other way anyway. So I like to stay away from the first open on Asia. But as we can see, it straight respected it and started to go upside here. So it's all good. I'm just going to go ahead and just wait and see what happens after the first close of the next candle, which is at 7 o'clock. And, we'll see if we can get a close here around this area. And then we'll look to catch a breakout of that particular area and a pullback, and then go ahead and try to take longs up to this pivot point here, which is about roughly 80 ticks or so, 80 ticks of a target, 80 ticks target. So we'll see if price can kind of hold below here, and then later on after 7, let's see if it breaks out and then pulls back, and then we can catch the long up to the pivot. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. So for now, I will check back in with you guys. Hope you guys had a good weekend, and I'll check back. Yo, what's up, guys? Man, this trade actually went away from me. Because I was actually thinking of getting into it like right before it broke this high here, but I'm just gonna go ahead and enter it, just because I think there is movement to the upside here. I mean, I'll be completely honest. I mean, there isn't really this isn't really a solid A+ setup, just because in the sense of normally what I'll do is I'll take a breakout from the 4-hour time frame. And so what we have here is the 4-hour time frame area that needs to be broken, pull back into, and then to continue upwards. This is kind of like a squeeze trade. So typically when price makes a move up and it starts to consolidate, it's either going to continue upwards or go back down. So I was anticipating this to continue to break out of this consolidation and to go upwards. I'm actually going to widen the stop here. And to go upward. So we're actually anticipating a breakout here. So that was kind of like the premise for this entry. So we'll just see how it goes. I actually need to bring the stop down here to where it's the bottom of this consolidation here. So we'll see how it goes. right, guys, so we got sucked out of that trade. I'm gonna be pissed if this is just trying to grab liquidity here and make its way back up now. Oh man, it looks like it's going to. It does look like it's going to the downside. Shit might just be ranging. Shit might want to just fucking range. Damn, look at this. Look at the fucking selling pressure. Look at the size coming in, dude. I'm gonna enter here, dude. It's like, what's up with all the size? It's basically just turned into a range play. Rejection at the top. Look at the size that came in right here. Yeah. Fuck. Dude, this is a liquidity sweep. Yeah, look at these fucking. $764. 674. Oh, just got clapped. This could still be bearish. It's basically just retesting this previous support and acting as resistance now. Let's see if it holds. If it holds, I'll take it to the south, to the downside. Yeah, I mean, if I start to see that selling pressure, all right, let's see if this continues to make its way back to the upside. All right, guys, so we hit take profit on this trade, and looks like it still wants to run. Wish I could have kept this other account running here, but you're not able to kind of adjust it. I mean, I guess I could just re-enter. I can just kill the thing and re-enter right now if I wanted to. Just kill it. So this is locked out because this is done. And this whole streaming thing is draining the RAM in my computer. I definitely need to buy a new computer when I get a payout here. But yeah, this guy looks like he wants to keep running, dude. Damn, this shit wants to run, man. I should just enter. All right, so this guy's done. I'm gonna lock him out. Manually locked out of this one. This is already passed. So now we have this combine here, which I would like to pass. How many points is this? 38, 42, 40 ticks. It's not a bad idea. I think if I should re-enter here, dude. $40 ticks times 3 contracts. Slow, dude. $600. I think I should re-enter. Look at this crazy, right off the 4-hour resistance, broke through, pulled back, took off. Classic break and retest here. Honestly, like if it can get past this, I wouldn't be surprised if it went ahead and targeted this pivot point right here as well. I just kind of feel bad for not being able to capitalize on this, dude. Damn. I know. I'm kind of mentally drained right now. That's why I'm just not really up for another trade right now. So I'm gonna just call it a day for them, or call it a moment for now, and just step away. I'm not gonna lock it out because I'll probably want to trade this later potentially, or for New York. But for now, we're just gonna go ahead and call it a session and step away, and then we can evaluate later. So. Yeah, let's just go ahead and step away for now. Let's just kind of look at the final stats for this particular combine real quick. So 6,000 target profit. Profit factor, blah, blah, blah. 2 profit factor. bad. It's actually had a day over here as well. 2,400 on that day. So overall, pretty good performance. Clearly, anything that I hold over longer than 30 minutes to an hour is profitable. Looks like that's definitely my sweet spot, 30 minutes to 4 hours and up. Like this trade was 3 hours actually. So, all right, I'm gonna call it a session, and maybe I'll check in with you guys later. Peace. What's up, guys? So, still July 14. Asia session. Well, this is like the end of the Asia session because London is about to open now. So, as you can see here, we have another 4 hour zone that we first initially rejected, and then just recently broke out of it, and then now it's pulling back. So, you know, this is my second 100k combine, so I am looking to bring this up to at least 3,000 today, hopefully. So let's take a look and see if we can get a fib level here, which looks like it pulled back to the 50. 20.75. So it's not as deep as a golden retracement, but still pretty close to the 50% retracement. And I do like this zone here, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and enter and try to take it up to the next pivot area here. Let's just go ahead and let's see, 7, 9. Let's just see how this candle forms, and we might enter here. If not this candle, if we don't see enough bullish action on this particular candle, then I'll look to enter on the next candle here. I would like to see a higher low on the next candle here, because we are still in that kind of pullback formation here, and it's still early in terms of kind of the time where the buyers are stepping in to end the pullback. So if we get a next candle that creates a higher low and starts to form potentially a morning star, then that would give us better indication that the buyers are stepping in here. The only other thing that I don't like about this trade is that it's getting close to the London Open as well. So hopefully it can make the push up far enough that it would make sense to maybe move to break even, or have some sort of other swing that we can move our stop so that, you know, we're protected once the open happens. So, you know, we'll see. But let's see how deep this pullback is. Looks like it's not finished pulling back yet. Oh, actually, we still have a lot of room here, actually. It's not bad. Let's just go ahead and enter half position. $39.50. If it breaks this high, I'll add to the position. Oh, there it goes. It's only 1,000. I need to add more contracts here if I'm gonna. 2,000. So I need another 2 contracts. 7. I actually need 200, 2,200. Ideally, I'd like to enter my last contract here at the close of this candle. But I have a feeling it's just going to take off before it even closes. Or before I can even get in if I wait that long. So let's just see how it forms. Ideally, I do want to see this close above the high of this candle, as well as a strong bullish candle as well. Ideally, I'd like to make 2,200 on this. But this would only bring me to 2,000, I believe. I mean, as long as this can close as a higher low, I'm happy with this, actually. I want to add to this now. $2,200. I'm gonna add one more contract. I just want to see how this closes. Doji. Oh man. Doji. It's not good. Oh. Oh no, I need a bullish candle here, man. Oh, look at that. Look how laggy my computer is. Shit. I don't like all these wick rejections. shit. It's not good. That's not good. Yeah, that's scary. Yeah, it looks like it wants to pull back some more, man. Oh, that's not good, dude. Shit, I'm kind of worried. I just don't like how these candles are forming. If I can get a bullish candle here, bullish close, then I'll add to this position. There you go. Come on, baby. There you go. There you go. There you go. Let's add to this position. So I want to be able to get 20. Dang, what the hell? This computer is fucking jacked, bro. 2200. So 22. 2225-ish. There you go. There you go. Perfect. So that's what I'm looking at for this trade here. If we can just get this candle closed bullish, I'll be happy. There we go.
watch your back. Shit.
All right, so it looks like I got stopped out of this trade at a small profit, which sucks because up here it was up, I don't know, close to $1,500 already. So it's unfortunate that it pulled all the way back here, but this could be an opportunity to re-enter here. I just want to take a look and see how this candle forms. I just don't get it though, man. Like at the open, it pulls back already. You know, it already pulls back to this, and for it to pull back again, it just is, I don't know. It's just kind of odd that it pulls back to it. It pulled back to it again. But I guess I guess, I don't know. I mean, for the first hour, so I'll just give it a few. To be completely honest, I'm already like mental capital drained already. But I do like how this pulled back again. I mean, I don't like it that it pulled back and stopped me out, but I mean, there could be an opportunity to re-enter here. Let's see if this level holds. Or it could just straight flush here. Just straight reverse here. Just straight reverse the whole way through now. This whole trend just freaking melt. It would be kind of odd for this to just crack here though. I'm gonna go ahead and just stop this recording, and then if something does reopen, then I will re-enter. Actually, you know what? This might. Oh, it's just so odd that did that, dude. It's kind of like, dude, don't tell me now that you just literally just sold off. You're just gonna bounce right back up again. It's like, oh, I mean, I guess you need to grab more liquidity, which makes sense to go higher up. That makes sense. Let's see how this candle closes and see how the following candle closes as well. See how this candle, ooh, I like it. 39.50. Dang, this shit just took off. This shit's just taking off, dude. Oof. Man, there's a lot of risk here for me, dude. Man, I'm not even at the amount of profit that I need to get. I'm risking a lot here. This is bad risk reward. 9, 11. Yeah, this is bad risk reward, man. This is a bad entry. 11.65. Yeah, this is bad. 1, 2, 3. This is a bad entry for me, dude. Oh, dude, this is bad. This might be a fucking blunder, dude, if this fails. Oh, yeah, this might be a blunder, dude, if this fails. It just went bullish so fast. It's that FOMO I kicked in. Man, my risk is, I'm way over leveraged on this trade, dude. I'm way over leveraged on this trade, dude. Oh my gosh, yeah. 2010, 25, 2010. What's up, guys? I moved my stop to negative 185 because I'm pretty much tapped out. I don't like the price action here. I didn't want to lose the $1,000, and I didn't like how it didn't break this higher. I didn't like how it didn't break the higher high. And I just don't like the choppy action. I just don't have the mental capital to deal with this shit again. Any more chop. worried about a potential double top as well. So I'm just not sure if I wanted to be able to deal with this right here at this point. So I'm just gonna call it a day, and try to bag the 2,000 tomorrow, the additional 2,000 tomorrow. So that should do it for tonight. And I'll see you guys. Probably not gonna trade New York. I don't want to give back profits. So I think that'll do it for me for today. Look to do another session tomorrow. Peace.